Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share how you can customize your product pages so that they actually suit the products that you're selling. So let me go to my website and I'm just going to look at the online store here and click on edit theme there. We're going to go here where it says home page and I want you to just scroll down to products. And then you will probably just see, if you've got a new website, just the default product. I want you to click on that. And then you'll see that your product page is very simplified. It just shows the products, it shows your listing and stuff there. So what we're going to do, rather than use this page to customize, we're going to create a new product template. So go down where it says create template. And I'm going to put fine art prints. And then you would have a default product. Now, some of you may have other templates and you just click on the template that you want if you want to have it looking like similar to what that page looks like. But obviously, if you're new, you won't have other pages there. So we're going to create template. So now you've got the fine art prints template. So just make sure it's changed to that. And as you can see here, we are going to customize this page. Now, some of you may be wanting your sort of print specification or shipping and fulfillment done separately and not part of the actual listing. So what we're going to do is we are going to create a section here. So let's click on the product information. We want to add a block. That's what we want to do. Let's add the block. We're going to click on collapsible row. Now the row has gone to the top, so we want to just drag it down to where it says under the description. So now we've got this here. So you want to go over here and name it. So I'm going to name this one print specification. So to fill out this bit, I'm just going to go to my product page and click on the product that I want to change. So it's this one here. So it has the print specifications here, so I'm just going to copy and paste those that I've got there. Now you may just want to type your information in, you may not have it down yet, so just type whatever you want in there. So, and then you'll find that it all comes here like that, so I'll probably just remove that top bit there, don't need that. There we go, that's better. Just take a look. Now you can change the check mark to something else. I am going to put, I quite like there's a star. I like using the star to point out that you need to put that there. So that bit of information's there. So I'm now going to create another one. So underneath, and you should be able to just add another one underneath, collapsible row. And then we're going to put this as shipping and fulfillment. Yeah, and then I'm just going to go to the product again. I'll do it from here actually, because I don't need to have the title. There we go. And then I'm going to look for the truck. There is a truck down here. It's near to the bottom. There we are. So we've got shipping and fulfillment. And you can continue on if you have anything, other sort of things that you want to include there. But that's like what all I'm going to do for now. And so I'm going to go back here and I'm just going to delete all that info there. click save. Then we want to click save here, and there you go. And there you'll find your two collapsible ones there. It's very handy. I think it looks really cool. So it does look better when it's live. So if I show you an example of one of my products. So this is like a canvas art print, and as you can see here, I've got about the canvas details, we've got about the floater frames, we've got about shipping and fulfillment, and there is some other stuff that I've added there. So if we go back to edit, I want to show you something else that you can improve on. So if you click on here, you can actually change it so it's not stacked and put thumbnails, and you'll get the thumbnails here. So that sort of brings it more cohesive. You can then add another area here, so a section. So I like using the multi-roll. So if you add a multi-roll, you can then write about the products here. Here is a good example of how I've done that. So it's all about the frames, about what it would look like with no frame, so mirror edge wrapping. So you can really write details about your product under here. And also you can put some related products there as well. Another example I've got is, if I just go to my framed ones, I think they're further down here. Yeah, here they are. So we go to this one. You'll see that this has about my product description, frame and border, shipping. So it's got all that information. And then I've written about the frames, about the borders here. So people have a nice look at what it's all about there. So we're going to go back, and I'm just going to show you all that again as to what you do. You literally go to products, create your template, and then you can edit your pages the way that you want to do. Okay, and you can add so much to these pages, whatever way you want to make them look. If you want to have any more tips regarding Shopify, we'll be sharing more, but I hope you really enjoyed this video.